Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are around the globe watching this broadcast. I am Olanluwayinde, also known as Sapphire Joe, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. I'm doing this short broadcast in response to a question that was sent to me for record purpose. Yeah, somebody was asking for what is the essence of the program and the admin fee, and how long are we going to be paying admin fee? In short response, admin fee, which is also the program fee, is the money, the fund that is being paid to the administration of TBC for the smooth running of the system, to manage and to operate a world-class standard unique based blockchain like ours. It needs a lot of funding. It's not easy to maintain it. So for the maintenance of the blockchain, payment of salaries and wages for the workers, the staff, the IT and the programmers, we need funds to be coming in, and especially in cryptos. They collect their wages in cryptos. So the administration needs fundings in cryptos to pay their wages. Furthermore, in developing, in building other programs for the sustenance and the development and growth of the community, we need that. Now, payment of program fee. Payment of program fee is for life. You have to pay program fee for life. There is no particular date that we are stopping the payment for program fee. The payment for program fee is for life, whereby because we need the funds to continue running of the system. And guess what? The program fee, 50% goes to the sponsor, your upline. That serves as the residual income that they are getting. That serves as the residual income for your sponsor. That is an instant money, instant funds that can be gotten and be used for personal development of your sponsor. So admin fee is payment for life. And I employ every one of us, let's pay this admin fee. You can either pay your admin fee in cryptos or you pay in grace. I'll pay your admin in cryptos or you pay in grace. So whichever one you want, pay it. The system, the administration needs that funding for the smooth ride, for the smooth progress, and for continuous development of the community. So guys, pay your program fee and you will be given the corresponding rewards. That's good. Cheers. I want you to, for as many who are yet to come into the community, there's a link below. Click on that link, subscribe and register. You are welcome to the community of abundance. Like and share this video. Love you all. Bye.